Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Faisal. I learn in 7th class at Beacon House School System. Today I live in Karachi, Pakistan. Today I am gonna tell you about square root and cube root. First of all, sorry, I have to tell why I made this YouTube channel. I made this YouTube channel because क्योंकि मैं चाहता था कि आप लोग जो हैं आपको थोड़ा सा समझ आए मैथ के कॉन्सेप्ट 6th क्लास के. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट with our first lesson of 6 classes. It is square root. In your any primary class, you have learned that any is a cube of 5 centimeter side. If you have to find, it is 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter is equals to 25 centimeter. Square. Why square? Because a square is called whenever you multiply both objects same, like 5 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by 7, 9 multiplied by 9, 13 multiplied by 13. Like 13 multiplied by 13 is 169. 9 9s are 81, 7 7s are 49, 5 5s are 25, like this. Okay, now I should explain you with some questions. Okay, our first question is 324. This is called a radical sign. Okay, radical sign. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find by prime factorization. In prime factorization, we have to do 324. It will be divided by 2. It will be 162. Now again we will do with 2. It will be 81. Now how we are doing this? 2 2s are 4. 2 16s are 32. Yeah. So now 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Easy. Now 3 27 are 81. And 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Okay. This prime factorization you have to make some doubles. Now doubles are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we have to put it into index notation. Okay. Now by index notation we have to do it by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 18. How? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 is our answer. Now if you have to check, you can check over here or somewhere in a small space and write. Okay, we have to write check, and check will be 18 multiplied by 18. Your answer will come 324. This is how we do square root. I should tell you another example. Okay, now if you get a question of, for example, okay, now we got a question of 512. First we have to make a ladder and then write 512. Now what number you can divide by 512? I think I can do by 2. 256 plus 256 is what? 6 12 5 of 10 11 to 2 500. Okay, so we will get it 256. 256. Okay, now we have to divide again by 2. 256 divided by 2 will be 128. 128 divided by 2 will be 64. 64 divided by 2 will be 32. 32 divided by 2 will be 16. 16 divided by 2 will be 8. Now this is a very big letter. Now what we have to do? We have to wait 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this we have 9 zeros. What we will do? We will do 2. 9 times we will write 2 multiplied by 2, multiply 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 by 2, multiply. Now we will multiply them all by using a calculator. I have a calculator, okay. You can use scientific or a normal calculator. I have a scientific calculator, and let's search what's our answer. We have to do by 2, multiply 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 by 2. Our answer comes 502. Okay, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel and put the notification bell of all, that you can know all notifications of my YouTube channel. Now for on, Allah Hafiz.